Let's start with week 5 English solutions. So, our first question is, mark the preposition in the following phrase, and the phrase is on the table. So, as you might know, prepositions are words that are preceding a noun or a pronoun that express a relation between different words or elements. Like here, it is given on the table, so you can understand it is on the table. Or if it was below the table, then you know the relation, right? So, here, on is the word that is a preposition here. So, our answer would be on. Let's move to the second question. So, our second question is, identify the determiner in the phrase, and the phrase is in the classroom. So basically, determiners are the words which is used at the beginning of a noun to indicate something, and mostly it is like how many things are there. Is there a single thing or several things, right? So in this case, the determiner is the. The is the determiner here. Determiners are mostly the, a, some. These are determiners. Okay. Let's move to the third question. So our third question is, in the phrase a man, man is a. So definitely man is a noun. Noun is a name of a person, thing, and object, as you might know, right? And adjective is something that defines noun. So man here is a noun. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Next question, question number 4 is, Sabita loves to eat at Juhu. Identify the verb in the sentence. So, verb, as you know, are action words, right? And here the verb is going to be loves, because that is the action word here. So, our answer would be option A, loves. Let's move to the next question, fifth question. So, the fifth question says, the position of words in a sentence in English is same as in other languages. So, this is an easy one. You definitely know, as you can speak a sentence in English, and if you directly translate it in your mother tongue, you know that it doesn't make sense. So, the position of words in sentence in English is not same, it is different. So, the answer here would be false. Okay. Let's move to the next question, question number 6. So, our question number 6 is, please bring a cup for me. Is it a command or is it a request? So, you can see here the word please is used. So, definitely this is a request and not a command. Command would have been go bring a cup for me. That would be a command, right? Let's move to the next question, question number 7. So please come and please go are command sentences. So this is definitely false. Again, command sentence would have been if you directly said come or you directly said go. That would be a command. But presence of please makes it a request. I hope you are understanding this. So let's move ahead. Our question number 8 is, I am a doctor. This sentence is an indicator of dash tense. So we have to find the tense in this sentence. So you can clearly see the word am is used here, and am basically represent present tense. So this is going to be present tense. Basically, the person who is saying this is doctor right now. Okay, so this is present tense. Let's move ahead. Ninth question is, they is a person plural. So we have to tell which person it is. So in your lower classes, you might have studied about the first person, second person, and third person, right? So let me just give you the table. So, like in first person, we have words like I, we, right? In second person, we have words like you, your, okay? And in third person, we have words like he, she, they, right? Also it for objects. So we have these words in third person. So by this table, you can clearly understand that they is third person, right? Let's move ahead to our last question, question number 10. So, question number 10 is, if the subject is singular, the verb needs to be plural. Definitely, this is false, as you might have known about subject, verb, agreement, And one of the subject verb agreement rules is a verb must accept its subject in quantity and quality. So basically the quantity of subject and verb needs to be same. So if the subject is singular, the verb also needs to be singular. So this comes out to be false. If you want us to make weekly revision videos, check this video out and to us. Thanks for watching.